All right, welcome back everyone to McNeil's Garage. My name is Sean McNeil, and today we are going to be working on my son's 66 Chevy Belair, big block, Tremec 5-speed. I'll tell you what's going on with it. It's a while back we put a blow-proof scatter shield, whatever, for the bell housing, and we had a hard time adjusting the clutch. Well, now the pushing the clutch won't go in gear. So I'm gonna have to put it in reverse and back out of here, swing it wide, shut it off, put it in first gear, pull up, shut it off, put it in reverse, and back in here. I'm gonna have y'all back here in the corner watching everything and hope and pray I don't hit nothing. So, all right, I'm gonna put y'all on the mount and then we'll start it up and get going. All right, here we go. We're gonna start this bad boy up and pull around there and hope he's not hitting nothing. I hope. Well, I did it without hitting nothing. I don't like it too much. I couldn't get out of it where I need to be, so I had to shove it forward, so I have to stick it in neutral and shove it back just a little bit because I'm too fat and I can't get through the door. So once we get it up on the air, I'll bring y'all along. All right, so we got it up in the air. As you all remember on the last one of the videos, got a 12 bolt Posi 373. It's been sitting for a while. If y'all see the exhaust, it fell off. We went on a cruise, and coming through West Virginia doesn't have the best roads. Well, they had bumps and dips, and it was awful. And he hit one of those dips a little too fast, I reckon, and knocked the mufflers off of it. Show you a little. So there it is. There's the Tremec 5-speed. Here's the mini starter. That does a great job, as you just seen. The big block. But I gotta work on this after it cools down a little bit, of course. Because put that on there. And I gotta adjust this out a little bit. I had to make another rod for it, because the regular rod will not fit in it. So all right, I'm probably gonna shut the video off up here. The next video, I'll do a video of fixing what we can do, and I'll show y'all. So, hope y'all enjoyed this short video. I think it's only 4 or 5 minutes long. The 66 Belair big block 5-speed 12 bolt posi. Sean McNeil, McNeil's Garage. Please subscribe, like, comment below what you think of the car. This is our main vehicle. I reckon this is what we first started with. So this is what all the designs are made after. So, yep. Like and subscribe. See y'all later. Hope y'all enjoy.